better to have a, put your form on a landing page, or is it better just to have it as a separate, a separate form in and of itself? Or would you
It's,
just add that form to a landing page?
yeah,
Or-
if you were gonna add the
Since it-
form, oh, go ahead, David, sorry.
How would that be different? Or, because the form is really limited when it's on, you can't do much editing with an internal or public forum. That's all there is right there. Just
Pretty much.
the
You can
form.
change the background color, you can change the button color a little bit, but you're right, there's not a lot of flexibility.
No, I don't. So I'm just saying, is it better to have that form on a landing page and have them fill it out from there?
Personal preference?
I don't know if
Yes.
there's I don't know if there's a back office reason to do that or otherwise.
No, what I would do, David, is it's again, it's a personal preference. I like to put it on the landing page myself
Mhm.
because I don't like for them to see the email field at all. I want them to feel like they can provide a reply and feedback without, with feeling like they didn't have to give their name or email. Like, I'm not gonna know who it is.
Right.
So that's personal preference. There is no right or wrong in this. A lot of people like to just use the simpler form and have the email field pre-populated. So there's no right or wrong on that, David, honestly. It really,
Yeah, 'cause
really
I'm
just
just
comes
looking at
down to
it.
preference.
Yeah, anything customer facing, I want it to be as slick as possible. The internal forms, it probably would not matter, but anything customer facing is kind of, I'm trying to get it, what's the best impression? That's all.
Probably a
Okay.
landing page then, in that instance. Again, because we've got such flexibility, you can throw your logo out. If you wanted to, you could throw a video out. Hey, this is David. Would love to get a little input from you so that I can make the customer experience even better for the next person, for you and the next person, Definitely when you're talking about, making customer facing look even better, I can change the body color to make it,
Right.
match my, colors.